I come from a family where working with one's hands was very well appreciated. My mother is a tailor and she taught me very early how to work with textiles. So textiles were always present in my childhood. The attic was full of textiles and it was very normal for me or natural to work with this material. But I never really thought of art or that I could do anything with it. It was just always there. And then I discovered a study after graduating from school in my hometown. It was textile, fashion, design. And I wasn't aware how much I would love it in the end. I graduated with a bachelor. It was actually fashion, textile design and linguistics. And then I decided to make a master also in textile design. I made that in Hamburg. I came to Norway through residency and I really fell in love with the country and the textile art scene, and I was really impressed that the art academy had this amazing textile workshops, and I applied and I started my master, and then another material came in and that was porcelain. I was always searching for something that gives a contrast to the softness of the textile. I thought about glass, metal. Finally, I worked with ceramics. Since I worked in the ceramic workshop, I really observed other people working with the material, and I thought maybe I could actually work more with clay and actually fire it. And I started to create spiky porcelain shapes that I pierced the fabric with. And I was very interested that the spikes had this aggressive shape, but at the same time they were very fragile. So I think that's what fascinates me most about ceramic, that it's very fragile, but also very strong. So it has these both sides. Through this combination of the two materials, really 1,000 new possibilities opened up, where the ceramic is a little bit like the bone of the sculptures, and the textile is like the skin. Yeah, I usually start with sketching, but I don't sketch with pen and paper, but I sketch with the material. So I'm making these small material sketches where I'm testing porcelain and textile together in the combination, testing different shapes, until I find something that really fascinates me, or where I see the potential to go further. So I'm kind of working towards a moment of surprise, where something unexpected happens. And when I have found something that really interests me, I'm starting to work with color. So I'm testing different colors on these textures, like does this work want a more bodily color, or is it rather a green that relates more to the natural world, because the color really influences the way the work is read. And then I'm starting to make this work a little bit bigger, expand this sketch. So I'm creating hundreds of these small ceramic shapes. I create all of them by hand, and it's important for me that they are all a bit different, and that is created through making them yourself. And then I fire the porcelain elements when I've created them, and I start to tie them into the fabric one by one by one. And the works get bigger and bigger and heavier, and they're kind of growing in my hands. And sometimes they create a shape that I haven't expected. So I don't start with a fixed idea that I have created in my head, but I kind of develop the ideas in dialogue with the materials and with the shapes. I think I'm inspired by the ambiguity between beauty and disgust. Like thinking of my own body, for example. Like when I was a child, I for the first time saw, of course, what's inside of me. And I was really fascinated, but also disgusted and a bit shocked how fragile I am. And I think it's these ambiguities that are still part of my work, between something fragile but also strong, something beautiful but also something repulsive. I work with a phenomenon called visual tactility. So if you see the works, you can imagine how they feel, how heavy they are. I really want that the viewers have this longing to touch the works. So I'm always searching for something that is extremely tactile. And I want works that have a visual movement, So the work is twisting and undulating, but it's not actually moving, it's just suggesting movement and a certain presence, as if you have another living organism in front of you. So that's why I also started to work with shapes that are quite tall, to give them a more physical presence. I want to create ambiguous feelings in the viewers, and I do this by creating works that are simultaneously familiar but also alien. So you're never sure what you see exactly. As soon as you grab it, it kind of slips away. So is it something that might be in your own body, or is it a life form from outer space, or something you could see under a microscope? So it's kind of abstractions of nature that I'm creating.